Welcome, and my name is a Spiphone A10 Pro, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache on the device. So to get started, you want to hold power key and select power off. Wait for the device to shut off. Okay, so now the device is off, you want to hold power key and volume up. Okay, and you should see boot mode. So from here you will use only volume up to navigate and volume down to confirm. And you want to select the first option, which is recovery mode. So sure you're on the first one and press the volume down to confirm it. Okay, so once you see the Android with no command, you want to hold power key and tap on volume up. So hold power, volume up. There we go. And we're now in the recovery mode. So from here you'll use volume up and down to navigate, like so. And with that in mind, select wipe cache partition and confirm it with power key. And you should see wipe cache wipe complete. And reboot system now should be selected by default, so all you need to do is just press power key. If it's not, you want to select it and then press power key. Now once the device turns back on, the process will be fully finished. So let's just wait for it actually to boot back up. Okay, and now it's back on. So that's basically how you would wipe cache partition, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.